Celebration of 25th anniversary, April 2025.
What people say about our event.
Shriram Parthasarthi.
To think about Voice Vision in 25 years, I think there is a lot we have done in 25 years. And I think a lot of credit goes to Sushmita to kind of bring it all together. And I would say the one thing that really stuck with me is how it wasn't just limited to computer training, branching out into many things, matrimonial, into e-commerce, into voluntary support for visually impaired. How can we have an all-round development of people with or without technology? I think that's been a great this thing. And when I think about the next 25 years and the 25 years thereon, I would say that's how we need to think in terms of, how can we grow beyond what we were known for and go further. Yeah. In terms of the event, I think I really love the event because it kind of helped bring a lot of people together, a lot of people that I knew from the past, a lot of new people, and again, the memories will always keep coming back. But I think if there is one thing that I kind of go back to Voice Vision again and again, it's been the foundation to what I am today, and I'm really proud about that. Thank you.
Arun Iyer.
Yeah, hi, I'm Arun Iyer, student of Voice Vision. Right now I'm working in Bank of Baroda. And in 2005, I learned computers in Voice Vision, Goregaon. And I think that Voice Vision really has done a great job. Right from, they started from teaching computers, and now they have reached almost every sectors, you can say, for that marriage bureau, and even at that time also Sushmita ma'am had started that special exercise, how to defend, how can a visually challenged person defend himself, and many things she started. So these are all small footsteps she has taken, and now it has 25 years it has taken, and see where it has reached. And everyone is very happy. And one speciality of Sushmita ma'am, when I met her first time, the first word she said that all my students are going to be successful, and that is उस टाइम पे उनके बोलते ना ज़बान पे सरस्वती माँ थी वैसे टाइप. Every student of her is very successful in different fields, and they are achieving whatever goals they had set in their mind, which would have been impossible because we learned computers through these jobs.
Krishna Majumdar.
The event was wonderful. It was very nice, and Voice Vision has come this way. And helped me and many other students, and it will continue to grow as it completes 25 years.
Neeta Malik.
Okay, we met Sushmita ji after a really long time, and it was great meeting her. And we were really happy that Voice Vision has completed 25 years, and we were able to attend this beautiful function. And Jia enjoyed a lot today. And for the future, I just hope that Voice Vision keeps continuing the way it is, and keeps up with the good work, and keeps helping students who are visually impaired. And we just wish her best for the future. Thank you.
Suresh Jain.
हेलो, माई सेल्फ सुरेश जैन. ये इवेंट इन्होंने रखा, काफ़ी अच्छा रखा, और हम लोग ऑलवेज इससे इंस्पायर्ड हैं. और अब जो हम प्रॉब्लम हमारे साथ आई उसमें इन्होंने जो हेल्प किया, तो हमारी लाइफ जो है आगे बहुत इजी हो गई. और उसी का ये 25th एनिवर्सरी है, तो इवेंट बहुत अच्छा रहा. पूरा इवेंट काफ़ी अच्छा एंजॉय किया सबने. थैंक यू.
Avinash Deshpande.
I am Avinash Deshpande. I am retired from Air India in 2012. Before that, for 3-4 years before, I have come in Voice Vision to learn JAWS, and not only JAWS, because of that I learnt computers from that, and my vision was okay, so I have seen with the magnifier, and I have used the screen reader JAWS also, and because of that my computer knowledge increased, and I have used in my office also, not JAWS, but in the office I have used computers which I have learned from Voice Vision, and now I am doing all internet surfing, then email, everything I am doing, and all that because of Sushmita madam has taught me in Voice Vision. So I am connected since then with this organization, and Sushmita is doing well in this field, and because of that, today she has invited me and I have attended this program. This program is too good, nicely organized, and Jai Hind College students have come to assist here, and they have nicely organized. Especially I want to tell Ajay Bhaiya, who is Sushmita's brother, who is a backbone of this, and he has always supported Sushmita in this her great work. And he also came here, so it was nice to meet him also, and new students I have seen, and we inspired having so much disability also with the Voice Vision knowledge. They are working in their field very nice. So it was beautiful to come and see and join with Voice Vision's this program. Thank you.
राजेश मेहता।
तो ये तो मेरे घर का इवेंट है, क्योंकि वॉइस विजन मेरे से कभी जुदा नहीं हो सकता है, एंड बीइंग अ फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट आई ऑलवेज टेक दैट माइलेज, यू नो, कि मैं फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट हूँ ऑफ वॉइस विजन। और मेरा और सुष्मिता का जो रिलेशन है, इट्स समथिंग बियॉन्ड स्टूडेंट टीचर, इट्स समथिंग बियॉन्ड इवन, यू नो, विच वी कैन प्रॉबली, यू नो, काइंड ऑफ डिस्क्राइब इन अ वर्ड्स। तो आज मैं गए 20 सालों से IBM नामक कंपनी से जुड़ा हूँ, एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द डे व्हेन आई हैड गॉन टू मीट फर्स्ट टाइम टू वॉइस विजन सुष्मिता एट गोरेगांव, एंड मुझे अभी भी याद है कि यू नो काइंड ऑफ यानी वो 25 साल पहले की स्टोरी। अगर मैं कंप्यूटर ना सीखता तो शायद मैं आज यू नो जो भी IBM में कर रहा हूँ, यू नो, not just in country but even outside, and even outside IBM, the way I work with various governments across, you know, I'm a diversity consultant to the government of India, Singapore, you know, as well as Malaysia and few others. In fact, I'm also the one of the co-designer to the Purple Fest वगैरह, यानी जो भी है मैं आज जो भी कुछ कर रहा हूँ, अगर कंप्यूटर ना होता तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाता। और ये कंप्यूटर अगर मुझे आ रहा है, यू नो, मुझे अगर वो QWER की जो कीज़ जो मुझे बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट लग रही थी एक ज़माने में कि मैं कैसे करूँगा, but I think that's what Sushmita has done, Bubna family has done, and I still remember I had a very good rapport with even Bubna uncle. You know, I shared very, very special relationship with the entire Bubna parivar. So, you know, to be very frank, ये इवेंट तो मेरे लिए एक केवल एक बहाना था, या एक फिर वापस वो री एनर्जाइज होने का एक मौका था। बट आई फील व्हाट, यू नो, काइंड ऑफ 25 years back वॉइस विजन हैज़ डन, I think the time has come again, and somewhere we need to, you know, kind of re-strategize, rethink about it, कि किस तरह हम इसको अगले 25 साल वापस देखें। Sorry for such a long answer, but could not control or could not, you know, kind of pause my temptation.
Ananya Petroda।
Hello, I'm Ananya Petroda. I worked as a volunteer at Voice Vision. I love the vibe here, where Sushmita always guided us with how to handle and how to become friendly with the blind. So we've always been like they are disabled, like, and but here we got to know how they are empowered, and they are independent to do their work. And we also learned that getting friendly with the blind, like disabled, is we have to treat them like equals basically. So yeah, thank you so much Sushmita ma'am, and giving us a chance to volunteer at Voice Vision 25th anniversary. Thank you so much.
Diya Nathani।
Okay, so this was an extremely enriching and enjoyable experience for us all. I think this was our first time ever hosting such an event like this, and I think we all learned so much, especially when it came to interacting with a new set of people and handling so much of the behind the scenes, coming up with game ideas. It was something that I think we learned so much from, and yeah, I think this is something that we'd love to do again. So thank you.
Astha.
It was a really fun and engaging experience. I got to learn a lot, and Voice Vision as a platform is doing really inspiring work for the people who genuinely need it. So also as a social learning, this was a very great experience.
Krisha.
Thank you so much, Sushmita ma'am, for giving us this opportunity. It was genuinely a very enriching experience. I don't think without having a college project, I would have done this social work. But yeah, it genuinely opened my eyes on how to treat differently able people also as equals. And the fact that we got the opportunity to host, which is something I would have never done for any event, like interacting one-on-one with the differently abled people, we genuinely learned a lot. So thank you so much for the opportunity.
Prerna.
Thank you so much, Sushmita ma'am, for having us here volunteer this event. It was a really great and fun learning experience. It was my first time hosting this event, so I really learned a lot and had a lot of fun. It was great, interacting with specially abled people. So thank you so much, ma'am, for this opportunity.
Aditi.
Yeah, it was a great experience, especially working with Sushmita ma'am and Voice Vision. It is actually doing a great job, and this platform actually helped us, kind of engage and talk with newer people. So yeah, the work that Voice Vision is doing, it's really very inspiring, and we had a great time here. Thank you.
Trisha.
Hey, so it was really great from, the first day at Sushmita ma'am's office to now executing and seeing the whole event in front of our eyes. We, a team of 7 people, have executed this whole event. It's for the first time that we've done something like this. We have done corporate events, business events, but giving back to the community, working for it and doing something for the community, giving it back. So yeah, this is something that our college has motivated us to do. And yeah, we are happy to volunteer. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for making it possible.